Welcome to Free Learning. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to solve this problem, which arises when you try to save an Excel file, and so it shows you this message. Be careful. So to solve this, you have to go into Options, Trust Center, click on Trust Center Settings, and then you should uncheck this option of remove personal information from the properties on save. Click on OK, then OK. And so now if I try to save this file, it will be saved successfully without any problem. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.